Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Nexxus Jumbo Set is probably one of the most sought-after hair care solutions for those seeking salon-quality results at home, offering an unparalleled combination of value and effectiveness that has captured the attention of beauty enthusiasts everywhere. This comprehensive collection is designed to transform your hair, providing deep nourishment, enhanced manageability, and a radiant shine that lasts, making it an indispensable addition to any beauty regimen for achieving consistently stunning hair days. Number 5. Biolage Color Last Shampoo. Keep your hair color looking fresh and vibrant. This shampoo is designed to protect your treated hair from fading. Experience hair that feels stronger and healthier. It nourishes each strand, improving overall resilience. Say goodbye to dryness. This formula deeply hydrates your hair, leaving it feeling incredibly soft and smooth. Unlock a radiant shine that turns heads. It enhances your hair's natural luster for a healthy glow. Formulated with soybean oil and stearic acid. It's a gentle yet effective way to care for your hair. Enjoy peace of mind with our vegan formula. It's free from parabens and mineral oil for a cleaner choice. What we like. This shampoo is designed to keep your hair color vibrant and protected. It deeply hydrates and adds a beautiful shine. If you have color-treated hair and want to maintain its brilliance while nourishing it, this is a great choice. What people say. The Nexxus Jumbo Set is a great value for the price, offering a generous amount of product that lasts a long time. Users appreciate the effectiveness of the Nexxus Jumbo Set in improving hair health and texture. The shampoo and conditioner in the Nexxus Jumbo Set are formulated to deeply cleanse and moisturize, leaving hair feeling soft and manageable. Number 4. Redken All Soft Conditioner. Discover the ultimate solution for dry, brittle hair. Redken All Soft Conditioner is here to transform your hair. This powerful formula deeply moisturizes and hydrates your strands. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to supple hair. Experience a new level of softness that you can feel. It works to smooth and detangle, making your hair manageable. Not only does it soften, but it also enhances your hair's natural shine. Achieve a radiant look with ease. Tangled hair is a thing of the past. This conditioner acts as an effective detangler, preventing breakage. Give your hair the care it deserves. It's designed to restore health and vitality, leaving it looking and feeling its best. What we like. This conditioner provides deep hydration for dry and brittle hair. It works to soften strands and makes detangling a breeze. If your hair feels rough, lacks moisture, or is prone to tangles, this product will bring it back to life. What people say. The Nexxus Jumbo Set is a great value for money, offering a generous amount of product that lasts a long time. The shampoo and conditioner in the Nexxus Jumbo Set are highly effective, leaving hair feeling soft, smooth, and manageable. Customers appreciate the large size of the Nexxus Jumbo Set, as it reduces the need for frequent repurchases and saves time. Number 3. Nexxus Keraphix Conditioner. Introducing the Nexxus Keraphix Conditioner, a powerful solution for damaged hair. It's designed to repair and restore your hair's strength and vitality. Specifically formulated for hair that's seen better days, this conditioner targets breakage and split ends. Experience a noticeable difference as it works to mend. Our advanced KRT keratin resistance therapy is at the heart of this formula. It helps to rebuild the hair's internal structure for lasting resilience. Infused with liquid crystal amino acids, it provides essential nutrients that nourish and protect. Your hair will feel smoother and look healthier. Give your damaged hair the care it deserves. This conditioner helps to revive and strengthen, leaving it soft, manageable, and visibly repaired. Generously sized at 33.8 fluid ounces, you'll have plenty of this restorative treatment to achieve your hair goals. Enjoy long-lasting benefits with every use. What we like. This conditioner focuses on repairing severely damaged hair. Its KRT keratin resistance therapy works to rebuild and strengthen. If your hair is broken, weak, or has undergone chemical treatments, this is the intensive solution you need. What people say. This Nexxus Jumbo Set is a great value for the price. The shampoo and conditioner in this set are very effective at moisturizing my hair. I love the scent of the Nexxus Jumbo Set, it's very refreshing. Number 2. Nexxus Keraphix Shampoo, Conditioner and Repair Masks. Discover the ultimate solution for damaged hair. Our Keraphix system is designed to deeply repair and restore your locks. Infused with powerful keratin protein, this treatment works to rebuild hair from within. Experience visibly stronger and healthier strands. We've added the nourishing benefits of black rice to further enhance hair's resilience. It helps protect against future damage. This comprehensive system includes shampoo, conditioner, and repair masks. Get everything you need for a full hair transformation. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. See and feel the difference with our advanced formula. Say goodbye to breakage and hello to revitalized hair. Embrace the confidence that comes with beautiful, healthy-looking hair. What we like. This is a comprehensive system for treating damaged hair. It utilizes keratin protein and includes multiple repair masks for deep treatment. If you're looking for a full regimen to tackle significant hair damage and restore its health, this bundle offers everything you need. What people say. This Nexxus Jumbo Set is a game changer for my hair. It leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft and manageable, and the scent is divine. I've noticed a significant reduction in frizz and an overall improvement in hair health since using this set. The jumbo size is also a great value, as it lasts a long time. I've been using the Nexxus Jumbo Set for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed with the results. My hair is smoother, shinier, and less prone to breakage. The shampoo lathers well, and the conditioner is very moisturizing. It's perfect for my dry, damaged hair. The Nexxus Jumbo Set has exceeded my expectations. My hair feels stronger and healthier than ever before. The products have a luxurious feel and a subtle, pleasant fragrance. I love that the jumbo size means I don't have to repurchase as often. Number 1. Nexxus Clean and Pure Clarifying Shampoo and Conditioner 2-Pack. Discover the ultimate hair cleansing experience with our clarifying shampoo and conditioner set. It's designed to gently remove impurities while nourishing your locks. Our unique formula is enriched with protein fusion, a powerful blend that works to strengthen and revitalize your hair from root to tip. Experience deeply nourished hair that feels soft, healthy, and vibrant. It's the perfect way to achieve salon-quality results at home. We care about your hair's health. That's why this set is formulated without parabens, ensuring a gentle yet effective cleansing experience. Enjoy long-lasting benefits with our large 33.8-ounce bottles. This value pack ensures you have plenty of this luxurious treatment on hand. This 2-pack offers a perfect combination for a complete hair care routine. Achieve clarity and nourishment with every wash. What we like. This set effectively clarifies your hair, removing buildup without stripping. It then nourishes your strands for a clean, healthy feel. If you need to reset your hair from product residue or environmental stressors and want a pure, nourished finish, this clarifying duo is ideal. What people say. The Nexxus Jumbo Set is a great value for money, providing a generous amount of product for its price. The shampoo and conditioner in the Nexxus Jumbo Set are highly effective at cleansing and moisturizing the hair, leaving it feeling soft and manageable. The Nexxus Jumbo Set comes with a convenient pump dispenser, making it easy to use and control the amount of product dispensed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.